Hi guys, today I'll be explaining to you how to use triggers and action to automate your tasks in Zapify IO workflows. So triggers are the event that starts a workflow. Examples. It includes the contact created, form submitted, appointment book, or task. So ang triggers is kanang event siya nga maka-start og workflow labi na kung magbuhat ta og kanang like butat sa triggers is may magbuhat og contacts na i-form na submit may appointment na na-book or sa isa ka contacts na siya tag nga na-add. So actions are what happen after the trigger. Examples, it includes send SMS, like send email, add tag, assign to a user, or move to a pipeline stage. So combine multiple actions in a sequence to build a fully automated process. So, imo ni silang i-combine ang duha para once na ma-combine mo yung duha, naka-automated nga murag kumbaga automatic. Naka-automate na siya nga mao ni ang uh, amo ni ang mahitabo sa imong workflows. So that will be all.